Oh, we got a real humdinger today. This is a 1969 Mustang Mach 1 R code. That's a 428 with the shaker ram air hood, completely rebuilt motor. Uh, they boosted the horsepower up a little bit. Rotisserie restored. Underneath is all redone. It's beautiful. Interior is all redone. A few other upgrades include four-wheel disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, documented with the Marti Report. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a monthly payment and the price tag. Or you can just scan this QR code and it'll take you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, we've had a few Mustang Mach 1s lately, and that's not by coincidence. I am aggressively looking for these cars. They're just such a stylish car. Love them. And this one here has the blackout hood treatment. All this is in excellent shape. It's all straight. It all fits real nice. All beautiful, clean metal. This is all real nice, even underneath. Nice and clean. There's the racing mirrors, the roof and the sail panel, doors, all look fantastic. The jambs are painted. It was all apart when it was repainted. Rear quarter panels are excellent. I don't see any rust, damage, issues. This is all looking real nice. All this looks real good, fits beautifully. All looking real nice. Quarter panel, sail panel. You got the scoops here. It's all straight, all clean. Jambs painted real nice and slick. So the body's excellent. Repainted its original color, Silver Jade. I love the color. It stands out. It's unique. It's beautiful. And again, shaker hood, very desirable option. It has the Mach 1 charcoal colored stripes down the side and on the trunk. It has spoilers, louvers. All the chrome on the car is all very nice. Some of it's new, some of it's very good. But overall, nice chrome and trim. There's a little dent right there, a little dimple. The grille, the bumper, all that looks really sharp. Has the hood pins, obviously. Correct antenna. The windshield, sure it's been replaced. That's real nice and clear. Has the original wheels, chrome Mach 1 wheels. They're wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. Again, rotisserie restored. Only about 2,000 miles on the car since it's been done. And these are reflective stripes too. Not the light hit it, I can see that. Tail lights in back, bumper, pop-up gas cap, all that's been replaced. You got a rear spoiler. What a good looker. Well, why don't we check out the inside, and I got to tell you all about that 428. All right, let's look inside the trunk compartment. Well, the trunk light works. That's bright. All painted beautifully. The latch mechanism looks new. The weather strip looks new. The jamb is slick. Inside is all clean metal, also painted. It has the mat. This is a sport deck rear seat, so that does open. Goes right into the interior. Now this has the visibility group, and I'm assuming that that means the light group because it has a light by the key in the glove box and the trunk. Again, the jambs are painted real nice. It has a deluxe interior, so that includes the molded door panels. It has working lights in the door panels, some nice wood grain trim. The dash panel, all this looks like it's been replaced. There's 2,022 miles that's since the restoration. It has a factory tachometer. The dash pad is replaced. Has a retro stereo, a couple aftermarket gauges here. You got oil and volt gauges. Has a clock. Clock is actually working. You see the light that comes on when you open the glove box? It's an option. And all the plastic, all the trim, the kick panels, the levers, all in real nice shape. Carpets are replaced and does have the red sewn-in mats, and it also has the pony floor mats. The center console is real nice. It has the original seat belts, nice armrest here. The seat, I can tell you right when I sat in it, I knew they were rebuilt. They're nice and firm, so they feel good. And when they're nice and firm with new cushions, the upholstery fits better too. So back here, this is that sport deck seat. And again, look at all the plastic trim all around it. Looks really good. The carpet's real nice. And then it just opens up. There's your back seat. There was an option. Interior lights work. The sail panels, the headliner, visors, all that looks like it's been redone. Looking good. Has a reproduction rim blow horn. You squeeze the rim to make it honk. Very nice interior. Really no complaints out of me at all. Now this engine was rebuilt, balanced, dyno tuned. Stock horsepower is 335. This one's putting out 366. Well over 400 pounds of torque. It has forged pistons. It has a full roller kit inside. It actually has aluminum Edelbrock heads. They're painted blue. Nice finned Cobra Jet valve covers. The nice shaker hood scoop ram air system. And then you can see the firewall, the nuts, the bolts, the hinges. Look how clean everything is. Up here is clean metal, the bolts, the rubber pieces. The battery is secured. All the wires look new. Up in front, you got the horns. All this, all looking really nice. Reproduction hoses and clamps and the shroud. It is upgraded with power rack and pinion steering. The car did come with power steering, but it has an upgraded system. It has the Ford washer fluid bottle. We got power brakes back there. Again, everything tidy, clean, proper. Under the hood's painted real nice. Yeah, even off camera, I was just talking to my daughter Shelby, telling her this is a real good one. It's a nice car. Michael's going to show you how good it runs.
What a good looking Mach 1. So sexy. Great colors. Awesome engine too. 428 Cobra Jet under the hood. It's got the ram air setup. A nice little shaker popping through there. C6 automatic. Gorgeous, gorgeous rotisserie restoration. First glance, it looks really stock underneath, and except totally fresh, of course. Just tremendous. Definitely get on our website and check out pictures of the undercarriage. You will not be disappointed. Power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes. Got the rim blow horn too. So cool. Let's see what she's got. All right. And just like that, we're doing slightly over the speed limit. Great pickup, no shortage of power. This thing spins like a top. Great rumble to the exhaust. Absolutely love the exhaust note. Front end feels tight. Let's see how it goes down the road here. Absolutely straight as an arrow. What a pleasure to drive. Somebody's going to be real happy with the purchase on this one. Go ahead and contact our sales department. If you want to come take it for a test drive yourself, Joey or Eric would be more than happy to arrange that for you. And as always, check out the pictures, details, and full description at volocars.com.
So as I said earlier, this was on a rotisserie. That means that everything was stripped from the car, just a shell of a body. And just like a chicken rotisserie, they could flip it upside down. They could work on the lower parts of the car, underneath the car. Matter of fact, when I bought the car, the owner said he had all the restoration pictures and documentation, and I realized we did not get that. We just spoke to him on the phone, and he did say he's going to send that to me. But underneath the car is very detailed, very new looking. The floors are absolutely clean. I mean, spotless metal. The frame rails, everything looks pristine metal, and it's all sprayed in the primer. Mach 1s come with a competition suspension. It's all rebuilt. All the suspension's rebuilt. Upgraded sway bar, upgraded with tubular frame connectors welded in front to back. That's to help keep the car from twisting. It has tubular traction bars under the back as well. Rack and pinion steering, like I mentioned earlier. Disc brakes at all four of the wheels. Really nice custom exhaust, looks good, sounds good. It's stainless steel with an X pipe, polished stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers, and it has the factory type quad tips coming out the back valance. Fuel tank looks like it was replaced, and the lines and the sending unit. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The C6 heavy duty automatic trans is clean. Drive shaft's new, so has a sticker on it. In back, it has a Ford 9-inch rear end with optional 350 traction lock gears. So just all around great car, show quality, driver quality. It sounds good, it's fast, it's beautiful to look at. Someone should be very happy with this car. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get your Mach 1 delivered home. If you need financing, we can help with that as well. So make sure you reach out before somebody beats you to it. Thanks for watching.